Okay, so we got interesting little job that's just come into the shop. This is for a CBX, Honda CBX seat unit, and the rear cowl, seat cowl, and the side panel. So this is actually a very interesting bike. It's a heavily modified CBX. It's got single-sided swing arm. This is an old kind of Resto mod. It's got a single under the seat exhaust. A few of the nice trick bits on it. But anyway, it needs a little bit of TLC. Had an aftermarket tail light, LED tail light here, which basically the tabs all broke off of it. You can see here and here. And so the tail light broke out. Also the cowl itself is pretty badly cracked there, you can see, and a few other areas. Then so that all needs repairing. So I've got a replacement tail light. You can still get these. So and it's needed because it has to fit over the underseat exhaust. So I've got a replacement tail light already. That's easy. What I'm going to do, tidy up, I think, these mounts, because they're just epoxied in. I'll try and improve on that a little bit, and also reinforce the tail light, because one of the reasons this tail light failed is the plastic mounting tabs are very, very thin. So on the new one, I'm going to reinforce that so it doesn't happen again. Obviously, I'm going to repair the crack in the plastic, and we'll also, this has been chopped here again to give clearance, give better lines to the bike, clearance for the rear exhaust. So this has kind of just been pretty crudely hacked. When I'm going to paint, I'm going to go over this cowl. When I've done the repaired the crack, I will go do the usual, any paint correction, any paint defects I'll fix. I'll tidy this edge up here so it looks OE, and then we will do any repairs and re-clear this tail unit, so it can be fitted back onto the seat. And then for the side panel here, you can probably see there's quite a bad scuff mark. The actual panel's pretty nice condition. Yeah, no major cracks, all the tabs are in place. You can see there, nice decal. So this has been repainted before. So what I'm going to do actually is, that's the only area of damage, so I'm going to paint blend. I'll sand the clear back, do a paint blend with the black, and then re-clear. And I'll probably I might do a how-to video on that, just a little short one. Obviously you see paint blending a lot in my videos, but it'd be nice to do just kind of dedicated how-to on that. And this is a nice little panel just to show that. So yeah, so I think what we'll do now, we'll get the cowl, rear seat cowl, stripped off the bike so I can better assess the damage. And then I'll give you, once I've done that, I'll give you a rundown of any additional work we might have to do. Okay, so I've stripped this CBX seat cowl down, so you can see it here. I think they kind of used to call these the ducktails. Actually, the paint is in pretty good condition. You can see here. So in general, this area, at least anyway, is not going to need any major work. We will probably, though, cut the clear back and re-clear it. But the biggest issue with this is, you can see here, this section here is broken out of here. So this was smashed, and so that goes like that. You can see there. So we're going to have to repair that. So we'll weld this back in place, and then we'll just do a little bit of, once we've welded that back in place and then sanded it back, we'll do a little bit of black touch-up where we would have done the repair work before we basically re-clear this. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for the tail unit. We've got the side cover for the same CBX, and just looking at this, all it's going to be is some paint blend here. It's a pretty simple job. Okay, so yeah, I think I want to do all the painting and clear coating at the same time for these two parts. So I think what I'll do now is focus on the repairing this section.
As this is a relatively small job, I only intend to cover the work in 2 short instructional videos. Once the work is completed, the client will bring this unique bike into the shop so we can fit the refurbished parts and introduce viewers to this super cool bike. Bye for now.